IKEA released so many new products this summer. Last week we covered some of them, but I've missed some of the best ones. So today we're doing a part 2. I'm Ann, by the way. Thank you so much for stopping by. Make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel so we can start right away. I feel like we have to start with the table lamp since there are so many new ones at IKEA this summer. This first one is a ring LED table lamp with storage. It's perfect for organizing anything at the desk, and it's a great selfie ring light too, which is so smart. Also this blue lamp, which is so cute and practical at the same time. This one comes in white too for $11.99. I've talked about the new JÄTTESTA series at IKEA for so many times now, but somehow I've missed this gorgeous shelving unit. So, if you're looking for a standout design that creates a statement, this is the perfect choice for both storage and display. Plus, for a shelf like this, it comes at a great price point. A storage cart that's new at IKEA is this bamboo one. This is the first time IKEA releases a bamboo cart like this, and I absolutely love it. Blue is the color this season, and IKEA knows it. So they released so many new products in this gorgeous color, and here are my favorites. First, they released their metal nightstand in blue, and I honestly can't wait to get one for my home. Also, their famous wood stool now comes in blue too, and I'm all for it. This gave me the idea to paint mine, so we'll see. Not to mention the BLÅSVERK Table lamp, which this season comes in both yellow and blue. Color is the name of the game at IKEA this summer, and this new multicolor rug says it all. This rug is so fun. The irregular shape and 3D-like texture add to the quirkiness and create an expressive and personal look to this small rug. It will honestly make a great accent piece for anywhere in your home. And when we are talking about colors, just check out this new funky triangle-shaped cushion. I know that this one is probably meant to go in a kid's room, but I can totally see it in the living room, adding pops of color. And again, we're seeing IKEA thinking out of the box. There are a few new sofas at IKEA this season, and one of the most exciting pieces IKEA released is the LONGARYD Sofa collection. This one is a pricey one, but it's an interesting piece of furniture for sure. It also comes in a love seat and a sectional, and comes in 2 shades of grey, a lighter one and a darker one. Another new product IKEA released is this practical sleeper sofa. Thanks to the click-lock mechanism, this sofa quickly and easily converts into a spacious bed. And the best thing is that the cover doesn't need to be removed when you change function from sofa to bed and back. It also has a space underneath where you can fit storage boxes and store bed linen. You can choose from different mattresses and a variety of covers to create your perfect combination. Such a smart product for small spaces. A new product I just gotta have is this minimal but so functional laptop stand. I myself am working on a laptop from home, and I honestly haven't found a stand that looks this good. I like this one so much and can't wait to get one on my next trip to IKEA. And when we're talking about desk and home office, you have to check out this new desk organizer. This portable desk organizer is the perfect solution when you want to switch workspaces at home or at the office. You can add this chaise accessories by using the holes on the pegboard to make it more personal and more practical. Another new product is this gaming desk. This desk looks so sleek and has all the key features I personally am looking in a desk: stability, cable management, and a hook for the headphones. Although this one is made specifically for gamers, I could totally see this in a home office since it looks absolutely gorgeous. A new storage box collection at IKEA is the RYKTA collection. These plastic boxes with lids come in a few different sizes and are great for storing almost anything around your home. A cool new product for the kitchen is this extendable sink container. This one's so simple to hang and big enough to hold the dish soap, brushes and sponges. It even has a hook for the dishcloth. Also, this one in black is perfect for washing veggies or draining dishes to free up space on the worktop. I always get my ceiling clips at IKEA, and I was so happy to see these new ones for $3.99 for a set of 9. And the last product I have for you today is a product that apparently isn't new at IKEA, but I'm honestly seeing this one for the first time, so I had to share it. This mirror comes equipped with integrated LED lighting that spreads a soft, diffused light that's so pleasant. It's perfect for the bathroom or for getting the makeup done in the bedroom. Did you know about this mirror? Let me know in the comment section below. Also, make sure to let me know which product was your favorite. Mine was definitely the laptop stand. I just can't wait to get it on my next trip to IKEA. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit the thumbs up and subscribe to the channel to never miss another video. And as always, I'll see you designers next week. Bye! Just sleeping peacefully while I rumble about IKEA. Everybody loves you. And you won't even open your eyes for them. Mars, let's talk about why you are not allowed at IKEA. Should IKEA change that? You're just the best doggo. You're the best doggo. Bye.